we shown you the visuals where the wastage, the garbage was stored, and from it was stored from last 6 to 8 months, where no dumping site has been created. Though we asked the SADA chairman, local MLA, he told that a local dumping site native is being created, and this is the dumping site. You see, this is natural source of water where water is being stored from the natural sources, and from here you'll see the IPH lines of water supply which is coming into this storage and going from here. So what the reference is that the dumping site is now being created, or the garbage or the waste is being stored or being buried into the soil is into the jungles. And also this is just because the video went viral and it raised many questions how the waste is being managed, that too in the lungs of the Himachal, the dense forest, the wildlife sanctuary area, and also the Kasol, because it is the international tourist spot where 400 to 500 hotels being run. Many foreigners come here to spend their weekends to visit this place, and you hear the birds whispering, how the greenery has taken place, and now where the water is being supplied, and now you see the garbage, how it's been stored here, how it's harming the lungs of the greenery of the Himachal, of Kasol area, particularly in Kullu. And because this is the dump site that's been told to be created, and also you'll see the sand covered up upon it, and area that you see in the visuals was dug. The soil, the mud was taken out 5 to 7 feet, then the wastage, the garbage was thrown into, then it was covered again with the sand and the soil. So you see the greenery, the Parvati Valley, the international spot for the tourists, and other sides down to this, the garbage storage. And no one yet from the authorities is able to just to clarify it, just to explain it, why this dumping site has been created here into the jungle, whether it's with the permission or without the permission, like the downside. So there, the downside, the wastage, the garbage was there from 6 to 8 months, citing many reasons, that just because of the Manali dumping site has been shut by the NGT, so there was a poor connectivity to the down area. So Kasol has to develop a dumping site, but why the dumping site has been created into the forest? People from the cities will bring the wastage, the garbage here into the jungles, into the lungs of the Himachal, of this green forest area. So also the local MLA, the chairman of SADA, also tells that the land is being shuffled with the rural development authority with the forest area. So the forest land is being shuffled with the rural development authority, and now the tender has been also been going to be allotted soon to the Healing Himalayas contractors, NGO also. So they'll manage the this garbage. But you see how, because there is a foul smell, you can't even stand here without the mask. But India Today wants to show you how the authorities are misleading people, misleading environment, harming the environment, and how the cover-up operation is being carried out just to disperse the garbage, to show that yes, authorities are being concerned. And you'll see smoke even coming out, and you see this black sand, because it also portrays how even when the contract is not being given yet, so even the machineries is being not established here for the dumping side. So why the garbage is being thrown here? Just to make a cover-up operation, that yes, the garbage has been cleared, but it has been cleared and it has also polluted some other place, some other area of the forest site in Kasol. And the video which went viral, it is the site which is 2 kilometers away inside the jungle area of Kasol, where this whole scenario has taken place, raising question to the authorities. And it has a water source, water supply from here. Local town, the Kasol town is hardly 2 kilometers away from here. The video which went viral, it raised question, but now these visuals are also more concerning for environment, for the authorities and for the administration. With video journalist Girish, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Kasol.